Health benefits of ginger root with treatment. Benefits: relieves nausea, treats cold and flu, removes excess gas, stomach ulcers, reduces arthritis pain, relieves asthma, liver protection, prevents obesity, prevents cancer, detoxifies the body. Nature's Way Ginger Root Review. Description: value size, premium herbal, non-GMO Project Verified, 550 mg per cap, dietary supplement, certified authentic Tru-ID, vegetarian. Health through the power of nature, that's what it means to trust the leaf ginger. Zingiber officinale is guaranteed to contain 0.8% total gingerols and gingerdiones to ease stomach discomfort. Our ginger is carefully tested and produced to superior quality standards. Suggested use. Recommendation: take 2 capsules daily. Take this product with at least 8 ounces, a full glass, of water or other fluid. Other ingredients: plant-derived capsule, hypromellose, cellulose, silica. Gluten-free. No salt, yeast, wheat, corn, soy, dairy products, artificial colors, flavors or preservatives. Warnings: keep out of reach of children. Safety sealed with printed outer shrink wrap and inner seal. Do not use if either is broken or missing. Taking this product without enough liquid can result in a burning sensation in throat or heartburn. If pregnant, nursing or taking any medications, consult a healthcare professional before use. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.